Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to our maths class on the new platform of Fliplan. Have you all learned how to open the classes in that Fliplan? And try to do your homework in the website, okay? Yes, students, we have already learned what is algebra and how to represent it. Let us recall a small portion of it. In algebra, the algebraic expression plays an important role. An algebraic expression is a collection of symbols denoting numbers and operations to be performed on them. What is constant? A symbol having fixed numerical value is called a constant. And what is variable? A symbol which takes various numerical values is known as variable. Let us learn how to identify the terms. Various parts of an algebraic expression which are separated by the signs plus or minus are called the terms of the expression. Example 5x. Here it has no more plus and minus operations. It has only one term. Second sum 5x cube plus 23. It has one variable term and also a constant term. So totally it has two terms. Then third sum 4a minus b plus 5c power 4. Here 4a is one term and it's separated by minus. So minus b is another term and also plus. So it's separated by another term. So it has totally 3 terms. And fourth sum 7ab plus 2x by y minus 3z plus 8. They are separated by plus, minus and plus. So totally it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Based on the number of terms, the algebraic expressions are classified into various types. Monomial. A simple algebraic expression which consists of one term only is called a monomial. Example 5y, it has only one term. And second, a square b. No more plus and minus operations are there. So it has only one term. Second, binomial. An algebraic expression of two terms is called a binomial. Example 5x plus 2y. Totally it has two terms. And second sum 7 minus 3x. It has also two terms. So they are called as binomial. Trinomial. An algebraic expression of three terms is called trinomial. Example 2x square minus 7x plus 4. It has totally 3 terms. And second 3a power 2 plus 4b cube plus 5c. It has also 3 terms. Next, quadrinomial. An algebraic expression of 4 terms is called quadrinomial. Example 4x plus y minus 3z plus 5. So totally it has 4 terms. So we can call it as quadrinomial. And second example 6p power 6 plus 5q cube plus r square minus 10. It has also 4 terms. An algebraic expression with one or more terms is called as polynomial. Then exercise 11.3. Identify the following algebraic expressions as monomials, binomials, trinomials or quadrinomials. Monomials means it has only one term. Binomials means it has two terms. Trinomial means it has 3 terms, and quadrinomial, quad means 4. It has 4 terms. First sum 5p square, q square and r square. It has no more plus and minus operations are there. It has only one term. So it is called as monomial. And second sum 2x square plus 3y minus z plus and minus. They are splitting the terms. So it has 1, 2, 3. Totally it has 3 terms. So it is called as trinomial. And third sum 2a minus 6b. So only one minus sign and it's separated by 2 terms. So it has 2 terms. So it is called as binomial. p cube plus q cube plus r cube minus 2. It has plus, plus and minus, totally 3 signs, and they are separated the terms. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So an algebraic expression has 4 terms means it's called as quadrinomial. Fifth sum 6a. It has only one term. So it is called as monomial. And degree of algebraic expression. Let us take 5x power 2. Here the variable is x and the power is 2. And the second one minus 16x y power cube. Here x and y are the variables and x has the power 1 and y has the power 3. And of a variable in a term is the degree of the variable. The degree of the whole term is the sum of the degrees of all the variables in the term. 4x cube y square. Here x and y are the variables. X has the power 3 and y has the power 2. The degree of 4x cube y square is equal to, we have to add the powers of the variables. So 3 plus 2 we get 5. 7d square m. Here d and m are the variables. D has the power 2 and m has the power 1. The degree of algebraic expression is equal to, you have to add the powers. So the degree of 7d square m is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The degree of the constant term is 0. An important note, the degree of the polynomial is the degree of its highest degree term. 9a power cube b square minus 7a square b plus ab. First of all, find out the degrees for each term. Here a cube b square, 3 plus 2, 5. Here a square b power 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. And here a power 1 and b power 1. The degree is 2. And for the polynomial, which one is the highest degree? Is the degree of the expression. So the degree of the polynomial is equal to 5. Exercise 0.3. Write down the degree of the following. First sum. 2 minus x power 5 plus 3x power 4. 2 is the constant term. The degree of the constant term is 0. And x power 5. Here the power is 5. So it has a degree 5. And 3x power 4 is another term. The degree of the term is 4. Here which one is the highest one? 5 or 4? 5. So the degree of the polynomial is equal to 5. X power 8. It has only one term. So, what is the degree of the term? Degree is equal to 8. Third sum. 15 a power cube b square minus 10 a square b square plus 9. First of all, find out the degree of each term. For the first term, a cube b square, the degree is 5. And the second term, a power 2 and b power 2, so the degree is 4. For the constant term is 0. So which one is the highest one now? Yeah, 5. So what is the degree of that polynomial? Degree is equal to 5. Third Roman letter. Arrange the following polynomials in the descending order of the powers of their terms. 10 plus x square y plus xy minus 15x square y square. First you have to find out the degree of each terms. The constant term has no degree. X square y, x has power 2 and y has power 1. So totally it has 3. xy, x has 1 and y has 1. Totally it has 2 degree. And 15x square y square, the degree of the term is 4. Now you have to arrange them in a descending order. Which one has the highest degree here? The minus 15x square y square. So write it. The descending order is equal to minus 15x square y square plus x square y plus xy plus 10. 16a cube plus 4a cube b square minus 3b square. First of all, find out the degree. The degree of first term is 3. And the degree of the second term is 5. And degree of the third term is 2. Then arrange them in a descending order. So your answer is 4a cube b square plus 16a cube minus 3b square. Today's assignment. The answers for the previous video. Answers for the previous video. First sum. Write the factors. 9a cube b cube c square. The factors of 9a cube b cube c square is equal to 9 into a into a into a into b into b into b into c into c. Sum minus 13p cube q square r square. The factors of minus 13p cube q square r square is equal to minus 13 into p into p into p into q into r into r. Identify the constant term and the variable term. 15a cube b square plus 10ab minus 9. Here the constant term is minus 9. And the variables term here it has two variables term 15a cube b square comma 10ab. And the second sum 45p cube minus 13p square plus 22. Here that constant term is 22 and the variables term is equal to 45p cube comma minus 13p square. Letter. Find the coefficient of a square. So the coefficient of a square in minus 19x cube a square b is equal to minus 19x cube b. And the second sum, 12a square d. The coefficient of a square in 12a square d is equal to 12d. Thank you, students.